So basically, this meeting for only general discussion. Whatever you want to discuss, we can discuss here. So there is no any specific topic. So start speaking. Okay. If anybody have any question regarding, so you can ask here. Basically, this is general platform where we can discuss anything. Okay. So
It
just
should be
come.
related to English only.
Yes, there is no any topic. Just you have to come forward and you have to speak whatever you want to speak. If you want to, discuss something, so you can start.
Okay.
Okay, we have Sneha also. So Sneha also can give some input because she is very good speaker. So also we can learn many things from her. So Sneha, please give some advice or some suggestion how we can speak as like you. So Miss Sneha.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible as
Yes,
usual.
you are. Yeah, you are audible to
Okay,
me.
okay. All right. Actually, there is no special advice or a suggestion to give to speak like me because already Star is like doing great things, organizing such sessions like Zoom sessions and posting topics every day so that people will practice more and speak more so that they can become fluent in speaking. So um regarding accent, I can give some like I don't know how I learned this accent because I
So
I
I
think
think
she lost the
yes,
connection.
yes, she lost the connection. So yes, Neha.
so should I continue?
Yes, yes, you should continue.
Okay. So like the thing which I can tell is that like I told before also the thing from which I learned my accent was that one fine day, like I was just listening to a song of Zayn Malik. I'm sure, like you guys have heard, he's a very famous singer. Okay, so I was listening to a song of Zayn Malik, he being one of my favorite singers, and I thought like he it belongs from Pakistan. So if he has an accent like that, and if he can sing, hello.
I think Sneha, you are
There is.
facing.
I'm sorry. There
Yes,
is a
yes,
huge network issue. Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
So um just hold on. Let me go in some other place where I can get a network.
Okay, okay. So a little bit. Meanwhile, just I am saying something. Actually, just I want to discuss here. We are doing many things to improvement ourselves, but I don't know why people are not coming forward and taking participation, even in audio recording also. Because there are near about 78 people, and today we got only 6 audio. So sometimes I feel this is really bad because here we are. No, for our improvement, for practice also, because practice make man perfect. If someone is speaking very good English, means he is doing a lot of work behind that. So we have to find, and also no, we have to create some interest in ourselves, then we can speak. Otherwise, we are repeating same thing, and nothing is happening, we can say, because now we are at static position. And if you want to break that static position, means we have to be speak. Otherwise, we will be at same position for always. So this is not good. So we have Sanika also. So Manisha and Sanika also, you can give your view ki what we can do other thing to improve ourselves, and also for the perspective of group, so people can come forward and speak, also can participate in sessions, and some fun activity also you can suggest if you have any idea. Okay, and we have Amit Bhai also. So Amit Bhai, after very long gap, you are here. So please give your input and some suggestions so we can improve ourselves. Amit Bhai.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Actually, no, I am writing one email. Means I have to reply one email. Okay, once it
Okay,
is
okay, no
done,
issue.
then
Okay,
I will
okay.
start.
So Sanika and Manisha, you can speak.
Okay. So, sir, as you said that no one is sending audio to the group, I am one of them. I was also busy. I was snowed under since few days. Because of that, I was not participating.
Yes,
And
Manisha, just I want to interrupt you.
yeah,
You are right. Whenever we are busy now, we do not find some time, because I have faced the same situation. But
yeah.
sometimes I also think, कि I can do this. At least I can five to 10 minutes. I have to record only one audio or two audio, and that will take hardly 10 minutes.
No,
But
it is
somehow,
not like that. Every time
yeah,
you will have to spend 5 or 10 minutes only. It is sometimes you don't know any, you don't have any knowledge about the particular topic. That time you will have to find, you will have to collect the information from Google, and also it will take 30 minutes, 40 minutes like that. And I was very much busy with my office work nowadays, since few days. So because of that, I was not participating, and yeah, it was there on my head
Manisha,
that I
this
have
is
to.
not
Yeah,
complaint. This is not complaint. Actually, we are discussing here.
yeah,
No,
I am also
and
just
whenever
discussing.
yes, whenever anybody posts a topic, I also always suggest कि please post some easy topic. At least people should be aware of that topic. Then they can speak. Otherwise, nobody is going to search on the Google and find some material to speak. So just try to put up some
And
easy topic. At least let people speak. Then we can find. Yes, Manisha,
I
continue.
have I have one concern about the audio topic, that suppose we are sending audio every day. Okay, we are sending audios, we are recording our voice, and we are keep sending to the group. But problem is, uh, nobody is here to correct us. I don't think that people will listen to our audios. It is just that we are sending our audios, but whatever we are committing mistakes, nobody will rectify us.
Manisha, you are right. But this is not only for sending audio. At least you are speaking. At least
Yeah.
you are speaking. That is main motive. You firstly try to speak, and
But
whenever you listen
Pradeep
to
bhai,
audio,
Pradeep bhai,
you
I
can
want to say one
rectify.
thing.
Yes, yes, Monsin bhai.
Sorry for the interruption. I want to add. I want to give one suggestion. So here, just we go to regarding audios, and then we post. We post then two three times. Listen our audios, which was posted by ourselves. Just we listen that 1 or 2 times. Then you will get so many mistakes, and you will correct it. So this is a primary principle. Yes, you have asked a good point. Someone's rectify, someone's correction the audio. This is also good,
Mhm.
but here, Pradeep bhai,
Yes, Manisha. Manisha, what we are thinking, firstly try to record your audio and listen yourself again. Then you can find where you are making mistake. Then next time you can rectify
Yeah.
this, because we are learner here. Nobody is expert here. And what happens?
Yeah.
Suppose I am pointing mistake on you daily. Yeah, you have make mistake. You have done this. Maybe after some time you can get frustrated also. What I am doing here, because someone is again and again pointing. So just try to speak as more as you can speak, and try to listen your audio. Then you can easily find, yes, I have made mistake. What happened whenever I upload audio on YouTube. Suppose today we are discussing, I am going to upload this on YouTube, and just I play and listen each and every bit. what other people said and what I have said. Every time I find my mistake, yes, I have done mistake. Currently, I'm speaking. I know where
Yeah.
I'm making mistake, but next time I will try to rectify this. So, concept is
Mm.
that don't depend on others. Just try to listen your audio. Also, we are conducting some grammar session. You know why? Because we have only little knowledge about grammar, and whatever Subhangi teaches, if we are going to implement all the concept in our speaking, so we can rectify all the issue. But just try to speak as more as a first principle is that you have to speak, and everybody is
Okay.
making mistakes, so don't bother so much about your mistake. Just try to speak. When you started speaking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, definitely I am giving you guarantee after some days you can rectify each and every mistake. Firstly, just create a habit to speak. This is must.
Yeah, correct.
This is
Yeah.
necessary. Okay, Amit.
Yeah, you are right.
Sanika, you can speak because last time you have said that ki I want to speak. So Sanika, please. Sanika. Okay, Pankaj bhai.
Yeah, very long time so we talked with you and very I'm so busy and doing the job recordings. So sorry for the bro. Very thank you so much given into valuable time and really I'm firstly talking about the why people the what is the mistake and our mindset. So how to find your mistakes? And firstly, my view about this topic. So we speak, not noted at what we speak and what we, you noted a grammaticals and grammar, etc. Firstly, try to speak only speak, and again to when you implement the 5 minutes or 50 minutes, then noted that what will we do and what we will we mistakes doing.
Okay, Sanika.
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes, if you want to say something, so you can speak now.
Actually, sir, from last 3 to 4 days, I'm not feeling well, so I can't
Okay,
continue.
okay, okay. So,
Yes, sorry, sir.
okay, okay, no issue. So, Amit bhai, now we are looking for you.
Yes, yes, yes. It is up to us, right? Means how much the efforts we put and the dedication, because
Yes, yes.
there is a no shortcut, and who will doesn't start from the scratch. So kindly start. Yesterday you might have seen the all my the I have created my own blog and whatever I felt now. So that's why I posted yesterday. Okay. So from the basic, I started from the basic. Okay, if you compare my other videos previously the before the 7 months ago, and then you could easily find out the differentiate, or you easily can find out the differentiate. Okay. So it depends, okay, how much hard work you do and your dedication. But most important thing is that you need to talk each and every day, right? Because the consistency, if you have the consistency, obviously you will be the good orator and you will get that the fluency what you wanted to be, right? But ultimately, right, it's the things. It's currently it is in our hand, right? And see, the speak it like how the child speaks. Okay, so likewise, we should speak. Never bother about what you are talking about, right? Because you do not, and there would be the psychology also. Most of the times, I could see or I came across. Not I haven't come across anything, but the people, the guys, they are asking that how to get that the fluency, right? Because I already mentioned that overnight you will not get a fluency. So you'll have to start it and then let it the 6 months, let it be the 8 months. At least you can go for 1 year also, and then after you can easily find out what you were before and now what you are now. So easily, it's up to us. Right? While speaking in Hindi, I never say I never change the gender also. So how can I? I can't change, right? So same thing I should do in English also. I should never. What I have to speak now, so it should the speed too much fast, right? We know that how I don't know how my mind calculate, but it's say my mind. I will use it what I want to be over here, right? So it is up to us, and see whatever the audios, the clips or audios the concern. It's good to send those audios. If you don't know, so you just note it down, right? The points. For example, if you don't have the data, it would be very difficult for you to deliver at a particular period of a time. But if you have data, then it would be very easy. Any you take an example of any good speaker also. Suppose the speaker doesn't have the particular data, how he would able to deliver that particular speech, right? Because he is not, the contents is not good, contents are not good, right? And then it would be difficult. So same way, suppose if you want to deliver, we are getting the 5 topics, at least minimum 5 topics each day. So try to do, just the try to gather that information. If there is a, the what are the advantages and disadvantages of the social media, so you should know that, right? And there, there should be some particular the start where is how you have to start it, then what would be the middle person, and how you are going to end that particular speech. So that will be also considered. So these are the some things, right? And even I always believe that to talk each and every day, right? Because now these days on this platform, I really appreciate and it was the privilege to be in this particular group, because I started with this group also. Okay, and at the beginning, we have been sending this the audio clips each and every day, but we had started that the Zoom meeting. Now how we have been connected today, but previously, because of I had to join with other courses also, my technical courses. So that's why I didn't get that the ample time, and that's why I couldn't connect with that. And so many times, so even I updated to the Pradeep bro also. Because of this, I am not able to connect with you guys, right? But you should take the advantages of such a thing, right? And this is a good platform to explore yourself. Okay, because suppose now if I want to talk with my colleague, what would be happen? Means I will hesitate, I will be a shy, and I will thinking that they are superior than me. Never consider it. Nobody. I always say that once a orator, he was a beginner. Okay, so consider that even if there is a good speaker, he was the beginner, he was the child, he went through that particular process. So that process we have to go through, right? Means our life is goes to the particular process also. There is the certain the age also, right? And somewhere we have to even it applicable for our job also. you know so in our job, right, there will be the certain at the age of the 68 or 58 you will be getting retired, right? So same thing here. So and the learning, always consider the as a student or a learner, so that the student within you will never die. And the teacher so also try to become a teacher also, so that you will get that confidence. And the moment if you are delivering, so you will get experience, and that experience is accountable. That is the your value. Okay, and that what you have gained in your life. The moment you are delivering something, so that is, you say that the what you wanted to be, you wanted to be, right? So that is the gain you can consider over here. That's it, right?
Okay,
So try
Amit.
to do it. Try to do a call as much as I am free also, and even I have created a Telegram group. There are also other groups also. But try to connect it, and the talk, basic talk. No worries. Even yesterday I sent the simple, the posts also. What is the difference between eat and eats, right? Eats, and so many things are there, right? Oh, what on the sheep, on the, so there are so many things. So just start it, and then automatically you will also never come to know that is how you progress it. The whatever the difference you will be realized in a one day. So that's it from my
No,
side,
actually,
Pradeep
Amit
bro.
bhai, you are saying right, because nothing is going to happen within 5 days or 6 days or 6 months. At least give some time, at least 1 year, 2 year, then you can get output of this. Whatever we are doing today, we can see the output after 1 year or 2 years. So don't think, because there are many people who just are thinking after joining this group, if in 5 days they will become a very great speaker. So that is not going to happen. At least you have to spend some time. At least you have to show your dedication and discipline. Then you can think, yes, now you can speak English. So because bhai, if you want to say something, so you can say, because Ghodke.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, I am agree totally. All points Amit sir is clearly mentioned is this group. But I was telling ki, Manisha ma'am also telling ki, is any topic search Google. Yeah, so for my suggestion ki any topic is group was very easy topics, and you are again search group Google, so is very more difficult topic again. You are again is different information you are coming in Google, so you are every day posting topics, so is very easy topics. Your tell your sport play, your tell your favorite difficulties, so yes, it's very easy topics. Is not searching Google, and your search Google, so is again more difficult topic. So I'm telling you, you are freely mind speak in 2-3 minutes in any topic. So yeah, that's it. Your is you are directly not in your search. You are not thinking your study time. You are freely mind speak any topic. So yeah, that's good reason. Not searching and not time wasting any time. That's my side. That's it.
Okay, because why you are saying right, that's why we are posting some easy topic. At least on the topic you can speak 1 to 2 minutes, because no topic is so much tough, because we are mature here, no one child here, so they have to search and they have to think more. Only you have to give your output to what you think. Suppose I am posting a topic on the dowry system, so I think whoever is available here, they have some idea about dowry system, what is dowry. Only you have to express in own words. So here we are not looking for some difficult word or something. Like, just try to speak in easy language, just try to mold your sentence. So that is not problem, and I think we should follow this concept, so at least we can speak. Okay, Pankaj,
Yes, sir. Yeah,
I
exactly.
think you
You are
want
right.
to say.
Say yeah, I'm listening your voice clearly. You are right. Say your Doric system is usually to speak to 2 or 3 minutes people, and but not noted as people anything. So we are very deeper to me, and regularly this is available to society, and every person know that how to this dowry system implements, and what is regions and implements, etc. But not people noted as this section.
Okay, so Monsin bhai and Amit bhai, now just try to conclude or
No, actually, my concern is that already I mentioned that until you don't speak out, so it would be very difficult to get the particular fluency also. So Pradeep Bhai, I guess we should start with this our Zoom meeting also. Okay, because now almost I completed my the course
it.
also, only the
Amit
certification
bhai,
exam is the pending.
just I want to say something. Today
Pradeep bhai
Yeah.
and
I
Amit bhai,
was
I
in my
want to say one thing.
office and
Uh,
I was thinking I was missing something. Means I am missing something. Then I realized I am missing Zoom session, because practice is more required. If we are speaking daily, then we can convert this Zoom session in our daily life also. No, sometime today what happens? Someone is saying something, and I have to speak English. Then that time I was thinking, what I am doing. Due to Zoom session, I was so much familiar with English, and whether it is required, I can speak. But today, what happened? That's why that time I posted this message. Okay, now I am going to start Zoom session again. If you are interested, then join. Because practice is
Yeah,
required,
yeah, yeah.
speaking is required. Yes, Monsin bhai.
Yeah, Pradeep bhai, yes, uh, Zoom session is very important and it is essential. Just you said about I'm thinking and my conversation started in English language. So automatically your subconscious mind adopted it. So I want to add one point. If you get time, you will conduct voice call. Earlier, when we started our journey, earlier days we were discussing on topic related topics or general topics on conversion conference call. So that is also good, and it is also very good. Just we are a group of people, just we are discussing, we are sharing knowledge.
Monsin
It
bhai,
is
actually, that conference call is just converted in Zoom call out now, because in earlier days we used to call and connect four
it's
to five
upgraded.
people. same we are doing here. Only we have moved forward, means one step ahead, because here we are looking each other and speaking. So that is same. At least we
Yeah.
can conduct on the daily basis. So it will be very good for us.
Mhm.
Okay, so I think this is time to conclude this, because I think everybody has just
You
spoken
have,
whatever they want to say. Yes.
yeah,
Amit
Pradeep
bhai,
bhai.
if you
Thank
want
you.
to say something, so you can say, otherwise, no issue.
Only my concern is that what I feel that the repetition is of mother of a memory, right? So suppose if you want to memorize something, or for example, entrepreneur, right? So there are the correct spelling, right? So we should have the accuracy, right? If there is a one particular word, enthusiasm, right? So previously, I was not able to, and so many times, we tried with you also, enthusiasm,
Agree.
right? But now these days it's coming automatically, and I'm not getting a hurdle while the pronouncing the particular words also. So what I have done, I thousand times I said enthusiasm, 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 entrepreneur, 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 entrepreneur. So I get
No,
it that one. So same thing we'll
Amit,
have to do it.
no, this can be only happen if you accept that yes, there is some problem inside you. If I am not
Yeah.
accepting my mistake,
Also,
then how you can improve? Because there is
yeah.
many word
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
was unable to pronounce that. At least, after joining this
Yes.
group, now I'm trying what is correct pronunciation of this word, and try to speak four to
Yes.
five, six,
Yes.
and wherever I get chance, I try to implement this. Because sometimes what happened earlier days,
Yes.
I find some word and I know, okay, I cannot pronounce it. Just I try to escape it. I just try to replace with other words. But nowadays
Okay.
what happen? If I know okay, that is
Yeah,
difficult, right? I just try to speak
exactly.
that word. I know okay, I will make mistake one time, two time, three time, but definitely fifth time I can pronounce, because I have done many
Yes.
times this. Just replace by other word, yeah, just escape that word in speaking. Suppose when I am teaching and I am saying this is very tough word, I try to find on Google ki what can be substitute for this word, and I replace that word. So this was my silly mistake which which I had done in past. But now I am trying to adopt this. Yes, there is some problem. I have to rectify this, and I can rectify. And I am doing this, in a good way. So that is okay. Maybe it will take some time, but just I am suggesting to everyone, just try to post your audio and don't think whether someone is listening or not. At least you are doing your work, means at least you are speaking, and that is
Exactly.
important thing. Firstly, you have to speak. If you are not speaking, then how you can think you can speak after 5 days or 6 days? So this is general concern, because I think Manisha was saying that no one is listening. So don't think about that. At least you are doing your part, and our duty is that we have to speak English, and that comes from when you start speaking. If you are not speaking, then how you can think yes you can speak English? And here we are not master here, we are just learner, and we are
Yes.
trying to convey our message to others. As Pankaj Bhai is speaking, Monsin Bhai is speaking, Sanika is speaking, Amit Bhai is speaking. So don't think someone what someone will say. Just forget everything. Just try to make mistake. If you are making mistake, at least you are trying, and trying is more important.
Yeah,
Yes, Pankaj.
exactly.
Hello.
Yes, yes. You are right. Say the only try to firstly when we speak the anything, so thinking before we speak to or what we will do speak and what is we speak. I know if you any wrong corrections, so people say the fear internals. So we maximum boys not to participate in this audios and call. So, but this is a weakness point for which have this problems.
Pankaj, audio system is only for speaking. कि At least you can
Yeah,
create habit of speaking. You know, when
yeah,
you start, habit of speaking, so at least after speaking, you can rectify your mistake also. And suppose
yeah,
I want to speak English, and even I am not trying, then how I can know, yes, I am able to speak or not? So firstly, try to
exactly.
record your audio at least 2 or 3 minutes. Create a habit, and when you start speaking, it will give you some interest also. So you can speak, and also you try to speak. In morning I just go for walk, and whenever I walking, I tried many things, what I have to say, how I have to record this audio, and which portion I have to cover basically on this topic. So, you know, everything we can do,
Yeah,
because nothing is impossible in this world, as you know. So only your direction, your dedication, your discipline, how you are doing. Just I am taking example of Pankaj Bhai. Pankaj Bhai, you are a really sincere person in this group. Actually, he don't mind it. I never seen your audio, but at least I seen your message. You post message in group. If someone is free to just make a short call, that is really good thing. At least you
absolutely, absolutely.
just taking participation in conversation, but try to record some audio also. At least you can create a habit, because
Yeah,
sometimes it is not possible that there should be anybody free. If someone is free, then you can contact. If someone is not fit, at least you can record your audio. You can example of Sneha. Actually, I have seen, Sneha always post message for short call. Okay. And
yeah,
daily he record 2 or 3 audio, because she is a very good speaker. I don't think she required something more, but she is doing, because practice make man perfect, and what we are doing. You can take example of Amit Bhai. I think 1 month
yeah,
before,
yeah. I'm always noticed
we
that say, yeah, always
conduct,
send the message in group.
yes, we conduct Zoom session daily basis. Amit
Yeah,
Bhai,
yeah,
myself, Neha, and Dhruv, and we are so much habitual. That's why today we can speak. And we are speaking. Yes, I am making mistake, but at least I am speaking. That is good thing. So Amit Bhai is free, so maybe tomorrow onwards we are going to conduct 3 to 4 Zoom session within a week. Yes, Amit Bhai, what is your view? You are
Yes,
free.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. I agree with you. No issue. Yeah. Only even I'm working. Okay, my office timing is going on. Okay, though it is going on, I have been connected with you guys.
Okay, okay, no issue. So
And
Devesh,
I never. Yeah, yeah.
actually,
Please
Amit
go on.
Bhai, Devesh is a new member, and he belongs to my village also, and he is doing very
Okay,
great
okay.
work. So one day I had him,
Yeah.
please try to join this group and try to speak. So Devesh, if you want to say, can you give your introduction of yourself? Just introduce yourself. Devesh, hello.
Myself Devesh Yadav. I am doing BLEd from Royalkhand University, Bareilly, and
Devesh,
preparing for
don't
uh,
hesitate, just speak.
you speak.
Actually, Amit Bhai, I have done BTech also from same college, MJP Rohilkhand University, Bareilly, and he
Yeah,
is
yeah.
doing
Okay.
B.Ed. B.Ed
Uh-huh.
means I think BA plus, no, BA plus
He's
BA.
doing BTech.
No, no, no.
नहीं नहीं
Devesh, what is BLED?
प्रोफेशनल
Yeah.
Yes, Devesh.
बीएड बीएड के लिए
B.Ed
4 year
plus.
Pradeep bhai, where is this Bareilly University?
No,
graduation plus
actually,
BEd 4 year
okay,
degree
okay.
program.
Okay. Monsoon bhai, actually, I have completed my BTech from MJP Rohilkhand University, Bareilly in 2005. This is very long back. That's why.
Yeah, yeah.
From same university where Devesh is doing BLED. So I think Amit bhai, thank you for joining this session. Monsoon bhai, Pankaj bhai, Shanika, and Sneha, Manisha also, and Devesh also, because time is up. So we are going to conclude this, and hope tomorrow we will join again this meeting and we discuss some other topic.
Absolutely.
Okay. So thank you, Amit Bhai. And
Yeah,
Amit
yeah,
Bhai, just
absolutely.
please try to conduct a session here
Yeah.
on Saturday, at least fun activity, something.
Yes, yes, yes. I will try. I will try. I will try.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to deliver because
Because
ultimately
today
I will
today
get benefit of that, right?
today I talked to my one student. He's working as a
Uh-huh.
content writer. So I requested to her कि please take a session to our guys so we can also know about what is content
Yes,
writing
yes.
and how we can.
Pradeep bhai,
They are
Pradeep bhai,
Yes. Yes.
Pradeep bhai
Yes.
and Amit bhai, I want to learn more patience and more commitment from both Amit bhai and Pradeep bhai.
Okay.
Both are senior, but you have enough commitment. I like your commitment.
Monsoon bhai, actually we want
we
to
have
improve.
strong commitment,
That's
definitely.
why. Actually, we want to improve ourselves. That's why. Okay.
Yes, yes, I am impressed, bhai.
Oh,
You
okay,
both
okay.
are doing great. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sanika, Pankaj, and Amit bhai and Devesh. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Thank
And
you all
I
of
will
you.
upload this on YouTube so you can
Yeah, yeah.
watch this conversation also there. कि how you speak. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah.
thank you guys for joining this session. Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Good night. Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.